Hi guys, today I'm in Illinois to introduce the brand new Prodotto Maximetro. Let's start a new GoPro experience. Maximetro is the vacuum precision planter designed by the Italian brand Prodotto to meet the requirements of U.S. customers. The heavy-duty toolbar has proven reliability and flexibility, exactly what this rolling terrain requires. Even in the toughest field conditions, the MTR row unit can plant accurately, whether the operation is conventional, minimum tillage, or even no-till. The unit has a heavy-duty cast metal frame. The air spring system allows down pressure to be adjusted from the cab. Hydraulic motors drive the machine sections, allowing you to adjust the population from the cab or following prescription maps with a variable rate. The Maximetro is available with section shutoff. The seating plate is made of stainless steel and you can replace it in a few seconds when you need to change crop. A double seed singulator is standard and can be easily adjusted to prevent skips or doubles. If you're looking for perfect seed-to-soil contact, that's the new seeding unit you should look at. The double disc is the largest on the market at 16.5 inches and creates the narrowest V furrow. The independently suspended gauge wheels guarantee consistent planting depth in all soil conditions. The closing wheel bracket is made of solid cast and can be adjusted to provide the optimum closing pressure for field conditions. The narrow unit design allows for narrow spacing 20 or 22 inches. You can increase the seed population with an excellent placement of plants for better growth. The wide toolbar guarantees enhanced productivity. The heavy-duty powered wheels allow the planter to close easily, even in tough, uneven terrain. Drastically reduce soil compaction by choosing tracks. Tracks are available rigid or with a unique steering system that improves planter performance in all fields. An additional GPS antenna is mounted on the back of the planter and allows for outstanding planting accuracy. The combination of steerable tracks and accurate GPS readings allows the planter to maintain inter-row spacing, even during turning or in hillside operation. The steerable track has a remote control to ensure easy maneuvering even during transport. Improve yields by choosing the Prodotto technology.